How to add group to your bot management list. Send Start to your bot, then click Group Setting in the pop-up Start message. All groups where this bot is an admin will be displayed in this list. Therefore, you need to go to your group. Then add your bot to your group and promote it to admin. Go back to your bot, click the refresh button, and you'll see your group. Select your group, then click Yes to confirm management of the group. Select your group again, and now you can view the basic information of the group. In addition, you can view group and member data in the OnlyTG console. Access the console by clicking Console in the Start menu of your bot, or directly enter app.onlytg.io in your browser. After entering the console, click Groups to view relevant data for your groups. Under the More menu in the Detail column, click Members to view member information, including each member's username and language. Only the information of members who join the group after the bot starts managing it will be recorded. If any contacts chat with this bot, you can check in the Contacts tab whether they have joined in your group. Group statistics are currently only available to users on the starter plan and above, but all users can get a free 3-day starter plan trial right now.